Hi, my name is Ken Tan. I'm from the Hair Times, and this is my model, Celestina. And today we're going to show you the waterfall curls. The first step, we are using a can detangler to detangle all the hair, get the hair out of knots. Just apply a tiny bit of hairspray, comb it again, divide the hair into 4 sections. Let's clip up the back. Always try working on neat section. Take one huge strand of the hair, put it in, curl it 180, and glide slowly, not too tight. Same thing we're going to do on the back. After you achieve all these curls, we're just concentrating on the bangs and the ends, not much on the top. Let's have a section from the back. From the optical bone. What you do is from the bottom, open it up, pick up the hair, and secure it on the top. This is to create a base and a clean neckline. And what you do is we work up higher. From the top, from the crown, all the way to the eyes. Okay? Keep it up. So you can see from the tip of the eye right to the back to the tip of the eyes. The next thing we're going to do is piling. Hairspray. On it, go with your hand, twist it, then start piling it up. Or just do a crisscross, twist it. Okay, what you need to do now is to rearrange where you want the fall to be. Okay, the final touch will be using a bit of Lorita makeup wax of the medium hole just on the tips of the hair, adding in a bit more curls on the ends itself. Thank you for watching MyFatPocket.com. My name is Ken Tan from the Hair Times, and this is my model, Celestina, and the creation we did for you is the waterfall look.